Tornadoes, floods, severe thunderstorms, and blizzards can be life-threatening.
And yet, with advanced warning, tragedy can be avoided. And All Hazards Radio gives you that warning 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And it's not just for severe weather. The All Hazards Radio broadcast warnings for all types of hazards, including chemical spills, and and 911 telephone outages. Don't miss your phone messages. Text the All Hazards Radio today. If we knew about disasters in advance, we'd all be better prepared.
Tornado warning.
Seek shelter immediately.
Southwest Super County.
Thank you. Thank you.
She kept you safe and sound. Now it's your turn. You can't be there every day around the clock. Whether alert radio sound the warning when severe weather or hazard alerts are issued, so your family can get to safety, even when the power's out or in the middle of the night. Protect the ones we love with a living weather alert radio. Still have plenty of time.
Hurricane storm watch.
Warning out there.
It's designed to do just one very important thing.
To save your family's life. With a direct radio connection to the National Weather Service, the moment a severe weather watch or warning is issued, followed by the official weather bulletin.